Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As promised, today I was going to tell you about the 2024 790 Adventure that I purchased from Fun Country Power Sports out in the Dalles. So, I called. Let me back up. My KTM 390 Adventure that I posted a video of sold the fastest out of any of the bikes that I've ever sold on this channel. Somebody saw both my Facebook ad and my YouTube video and sent me a message and said, hey, I want to come pick that up as soon as you're available. So less than 24 hours after I posted the video, the bike sold for the asking price, no questions asked, and he seemed to be pretty happy with it. So jumping from that to this, my thought process on this is I've gotten so used to riding my Norden, and I was poking around on the internet, and I'm like, I wonder if they make like a smaller, more adventure-oriented bike similar to the Norden, because the Norden is huge, and what makes it huge is like all the body work and all of the extra parts and pieces that come standard on a Norden. Whereas this, if you look at the two, it has the same frame, but it's just overall it's just a smaller bike. And it's kind of hard to explain until you stand next to them or sit on them. Sitting on it, my feet sit the exact same as they would if I were on a 390. On the Norden, it's a 1 foot deal for me. I have to kick the bike to the side a little bit and actually make an effort to keep my foot down there. But what can I tell you? So I ended up getting this. I had them install the full tech pack on it that unlocks all of the electronics, which would be cruise control, quick shifter, dynamic mode, rally mode, I think is one of them that's on there as well. And like if I install heated grips, controllable with the TFT, that is from the factory. Those are available, and that will be in an upcoming episode. So I think today what we're going to do, I had them take the Pirelli Scorpions off because my Norden needs some new tires, and it just worked out that they had the exact tires I was going to buy for this anyway, so I had them install those before I left today. It took them about 2 hours to get done, but it was worth the wait. These are the Moto Z traction adventure tires, both front and rear, and I really like the tread design and the reviews on it, so I had them put those on before I left. But as far as today goes, I've got a bunch of parts to install, but I think the first thing we should do is get some spools on the back so we can put the bike up on my Husky stands and be able to do some work on it. So let's get started. And like that, every single GV part that I wanted to install on this bike is now installed. I will leave links in the description for all these parts. We did a kickstand plate, the S250 toolbox and mount, the pannier rack mount, the top rack mount with a black M8 aluminum plate. And I think that's it. I also laminated and installed my trip permit. So I got that going. But other than that, I think that's probably going to be it for this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you like the motorcycle stuff, you're going to want to stay tuned. I have a few more goodies coming for this. And then we will be doing I forecast an upcoming episode on the LMTV that has to do with kind of what happened today as I was driving back from the Dalles. Something I noticed, something we got to take a look at. And then of course parts will be coming in for this bad boy. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I will catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.